All right, video number 5, how to find cash flowing properties. In the last video, I taught you how to budget for cash flow and how to calculate for cash flow, but where do we find these awesome properties like the one I showed you in the last video? Today I'm gonna talk about the 3 most common long-term real estate niches that there are: single family, multifamily, and student rental properties. I'm gonna tell you some tips on where to find these great properties, these cash flowing properties, once you've narrowed down your focus to a town that's growing very quickly and is going to continue growing for years to come. Number 1, with single family and rent to owns, they're pretty similar in terms of clientele. Just one wants to buy, one wants to rent, but same areas is what you're looking for. So for single family areas, you're looking for a quiet, mature neighborhood. Remember, your single family tenant and their family, because they normally have kids, they want to be away from the hustle and bustle. They don't want to have cars, flying by their streets and their houses. They want a quiet, nice, mature area where the kids can go play in the front yard or the backyard, and the parents know that they're going to be safe. So these are the areas you really want to focus on, as well as like when there's nice trees, and because it's a mature area, nice big trees, that kind of things with some community centers and baseball diamonds, all that. That's what the single family tenant wants. And they also want to be close to highway access because these tenants, the parents, normally commute to work. So here in Kitchener-Waterloo specifically, I'm talking about you definitely want to be near highway access, within 10 to 15 minutes to the highway from the house. So in case they work in London, Toronto, Hamilton, they can get to work quickly. They're not driving for hours and hours, because that's going to drive away tenants no matter what area you're looking in. But especially here in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's very important that you invest near highway access if possible. And Kitchener-Waterloo and Cambridge is laid out really well that pretty much wherever you buy, you're within 10 to 15 minutes within a highway access or expressway, which leads to the 401. So you're pretty well good that way. Single family tenants also want to be close to stores, grocery stores, and other amenities. Again, your parents or the tenants don't want to be driving around half an hour just to get to the grocery store, 20 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes if possible to a grocery store. And then if they want to a major grocery store, it's not a big deal, but at least give them the option that if they need something quick in the house, they can go within 5 to 10 minutes to a grocery store or a store. Very important. Now for multifamily, it's kind of the complete opposite in a lot of reasons. We want to be close to downtown, so right in the downtown core, whereas single family, we want to be away from downtown, especially here in Kitchener-Waterloo. Some towns in Alberta, or I don't know, other places in Canada might be different, but here in a big city, in Kitchener-Waterloo, your single families don't want to be close to downtown, but your multifamily is the complete opposite. You want to be right downtown, close to the action, and close to transportation, so that your tenants normally don't have cars in multifamily investing. They normally take public transit, light rapid transit, the LRT in Kitchener, which is coming soon at the time I'm making these videos. So that's where you really want to focus on when it comes to multifamily investing, as well as being close to amenities, also important, but a different kind of amenity, more so nightlife or things to do, the museums, stuff like that. Those are the things your multifamily tenants really care about and want to be close to within walking distance or a quick bus ride. Student properties is pretty self-explanatory. You want to be as close as possible to the universities. University towns are laid out nice, where very close to the schools, they also have amenities. They're not stupid. So a lot of developers have built grocery stores, fast food restaurants. They're all very close to the school, so it's very easy for you. So if you're investing in student properties, all you want to care about is being as close as possible to the school. That's pretty much it. So those are the things you want to look out for when you're looking on where to buy these cash flowing properties. This is very important and a good formula to follow. If you follow this, I guarantee it'll be much, much easier for you to find good tenants and a property that also cash flows really well. That's video number 5. I'll see you next on video number 6.